Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to open toolbar. I will create new file with these default template settings. And if you want to open toolbar, you can go to edit menu, click toolbar on the bottom, and will be show for customize toolbar dialog box. As example, I will add more comments at this default toolbar. You can click at this magnetic lasso tools, alt, and then I will move into this toolbar. After it, you can click done, and if you click at this option, will be show the magnetic lasso tools. Okay, to add more, you can go to edit, click on toolbar, and then searching for your tools. After it, you can insert into the toolbar. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to open toolbar. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.